Hey guys, welcome back to Naomi's Kitchen Cuisine. In today's video, we are cooking up some Jamaican style fish tea soup. For this recipe, we will need some all-purpose seasoning, some pimento seeds, Maggie All Purpose, and some Aromat Seasoning. We have a bullet pepper, a vegetable stock cube, a carrot, some fresh thyme, garlic, and 2 green bananas, along with 2 potatoes, spring onions, some white and yellow yam, chow, 2 packs of the tropical sunfish tea soup, and we have 4 small snapper fish too. Okay, so to begin cooking, we are going to add our fish to a pan and pour over some hot water until the fish are covered, and let those boil out for about 10 to 15 minutes. We are boiling our fish to break it up and debone it to add to our soup later. We also use the water the fish is boiling in as a broth. I added about a teaspoon of salt to my pot and then placed my lid to let the fish cook whilst I chop and wash my vegetables to add to the soup. Starting with my green bananas, I chopped off both ends and then slice them with the skin on. Once the vegetables were chopped, I added 2 liters of water to my pot and brought it to a boil. When the water came to a boil, I added another liter of water to my pot along with my chopped vegetables and let them boil out for about 15 minutes before adding my seasonings. Now I'm back to my pot. The first thing I'm going to add is the fish tea soup. It's important to stir these in as you add them, otherwise the seasonings will become lumpy. Next to add is our pimento seeds, the Aromat Seasoning, my Maggie All Purpose, our fresh thyme, and some regular all purpose. We're also going to add in our spring onions, our vegetable stock cube, and a knob of butter. Then I'm going to let those cook whilst I debone my snapper to add to the soup later. When deboning your fish, you will see there is a main bone that is in the middle of the fish and some finer bones too. You may not get all the fine bones out, so I would be cautious of this when you're eating the soup. If you want to skip this step or you prefer fish without the bones, you can buy fish fillets from the market or supermarket. Now it's time to add our Scotch bonnet pepper to give our fish tea a kick. I didn't leave the Scotch bonnet in the pot for too long as I don't like pepper. I left it in long enough to add to the flavor of the soup. I then added my fish along with the water they were boiled in. I replaced my lid and let the soup cook for another 10 to 15 minutes until it was cooked and ready to eat. Guys, this soup is super easy to make with only a few ingredients that you can quickly pick up from your local market. As always, all the quantities for the recipe are listed in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button for more videos from Naomi's Kitchen Cuisine. Give this recipe a try and let us know what you think. That's it for today's video. Have a blessed day and thank you for watching.